Hey there, fellow nature enthusiasts and garden lovers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating debate about native plants and their resilience in the face of climate change. It's a topic that's got me thinking, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. Imagine this, a beautiful garden, filled with vibrant flowers and lush greenery. Now, what if I told you that this garden, despite its beauty, might not be as resilient as it seems? That's the crux of our discussion today. Richard Eltringham, in a recent letter, suggests that with the changing climate, we should shift towards non-native, drought-tolerant species. It's an interesting proposition, but it's not as straightforward as it sounds. Here's why. First off, let's talk about the value of native plants. They're not just pretty faces, they're ecological powerhouses. Take oaks, for instance. These native trees support an incredible 2,300 other species. That's a whole ecosystem right there. And here's the kicker, native plants are evolving rapidly to adapt to our changing climate. Those saplings that look a little crispy might just be the future of drought-resistant natives. Now, let's consider the implications of switching to non-native species. While they might be drought-tolerant, they can't replace the intricate web of interactions that native plants have with their environment. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It might work, but it's not an ideal fit. Here's a detail I find fascinating. Mediterranean landscapes, known for their drought-adapted plants, are actually quite brown in the summer. That's because these plants have evolved to survive in hot, dry conditions. But our winters? They're a whole different story. Many drought-tolerant species just can't handle our wet, cold winters. So, what's the takeaway here? Well, personally, I think we need to be cautious about making a knee-jerk reaction and abandoning our native plants. Yes, we need to adapt to the changing climate, but let's do it wisely. Let's embrace the resilience of our native species and continue to support their evolution. After all, they've been here longer than we have, and they know a thing or two about survival. In my opinion, the key is balance. We can absolutely adapt our planting palettes to cope with the changing climate, but let's not forget the value of our native species. They're an integral part of our ecosystem, and they deserve our support and protection. So, there you have it, folks. A little food for thought on a sunny, or not so sunny, day. Remember, when it comes to gardening and climate change, it's all about finding that delicate balance between adaptation and preservation. Until next time, keep those green thumbs growing. Closing shot, a beautiful native flower in bloom, with a subtle overlay of the message "Embrace the resilience."